Thank you very much. All right, so thank you for the introduction. So let's get this started. Before I go ahead, I just would like to give an introduction about myself. I studied in Sicily, in Catania. I got my PhD in image analysis in a tiny town in the center of Italy called Lucca. Then I became a postdoc in Edinburgh and never lived in Edinburgh anymore until 2 years back. I became a lecturer in Napier, and now, as has been said, I'm an assistant professor at the University of Nottingham, very central in the UK, or maybe in England. So what I do is basically I do machine learning and computer vision applications in biology, mostly applied in agriculture, basically plants, and you will see a lot of plants, but not only, because sometimes I have the great opportunity to collaborate with other people in other domains, such as medical imaging. Now, whatever you will see today can be summarized in this little bit here, box here. The problem is like we have an image of a plant, typically acquired from the top, and we just provide this plant to a model, a deep learning model eventually, where something happens in the middle, and then boom, we want to get a prediction 14 leaves. It might seem hard, it might seem very simple, but I've been working on this for 10 years, roughly. But before I go ahead, I would like to introduce VIOS. VIOS is a collab that I have the opportunity to collaborate with. And we do many things. Of course, this slide summarizes what everybody does. I don't do all of these things. It would be way too much. So there are people working on data representation, people working on learning from simulated or synthetic data. There are people working causality and correlation, and also privacy, data leakage, disclosure control, and whatnot. If you want to learn, if you want to know more about which academics are there or what are the PhD students here, just go here on this website. You will learn more. Said that, I suggest to get started. So probably the first part of this presentation can be quite boring, but it's very important to set a tone, no? Because what is a regression? Regression is basically, we have a model that spits out a number. Easy. But if we want to see from a formal point of view, what we want to do is to learn a function, f of x, whatever this function is, we don't care, that takes an image, an input, and spit a number in output. That's it. It's very simple, at least in theory, but all the difficulty stems in what is f. And basically, I've been working